It really helps to see the before pictures, to be aware of just how much this transformation of this building, but it's a sign, a symbol really, of the transformation we hope to bring to the hearts and minds of the students we serve. This transformation transformed this building from 12,000 square feet of usable space to 25,000 square feet of office and classroom space, more than doubling our ability to use this.
Lord God Almighty, in your kindness, hear our prayers. We ask you to bless this building, which we dedicate to the education of our students, to the progress of the sciences, and to learning. May it become a center where students and teachers, imbued with the words of truth, will search for the wisdom that guides the Christian life and strive wholeheartedly to stand by Christ as their teacher, who lives and reigns forever and ever. Amen.
They truly are going to change the face of 18th Street, and we couldn't be more excited about that.